Well, welcome. I'm going to keep that on for as much as possible, but you can hardly see my face. I'm in North Devon. I'm on the top of the hill, the flat area at Woolacombe. It's 30 degrees. I have got suntan lotion on, and today's project is bungee launching both Alf wings to see if we can break them. Now, this is the original bungee from Angel Wing Designs. So I think it's 7.5 meters of elastic and about 15 meters of braided line, but that's all we're going to need for this experiment. We just got to see how these gliders respond on a bungee. Let's go. Right, here we go. Controls check, everything's good. Into wind, looking at the ribbon. Wow. I'll tell you what, you get that on some decent line. And I've got nothing on here. Right, here we go. Bungee. Right, here we go. Controls check, it's good. It's wind, looking at the ribbon. Oh, you get the Angel Wing Designs, the new longer version. It's going to be epic. Absolutely epic. Right, okay. Into wind. Held high, controls check. Just check wind, or here comes a gust. Just going to wait for that gust to go through. And then, oh, wow. Oh, you can hear that bungee wanging, can't you? So I can honestly say that this wing oh, look at it. That's it, Nick. Smash it into the cat. Oh, twat. Oh, God. Oh, no. Right. Twat. Well, that was going well until I've literally flown it. As you must see on the video, I've gone and flown, just clipped the bloody tripod of the camera with the tailplane. Now, it's a possible field fix. I ain't got my reading glasses with me, and to be honest with you, I really want to go home and have a look and see why it's broken. Pretty obvious it was a tripod, to see if there's anything I can do. I think actually it's let go at the right place where it should do without damaging the boom, which is a good thing. We don't want to be breaking boom. So part two, I'll come back with a polyhedral, but with this heat I think it might be on the beach.